Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is going to be on the distributive property. And although there is a fancy definition for what the distributive property means and how it works the way it does, for the purposes of Algebra 1, we're just going to say that we use it to multiply to get rid of parentheses. That's the gist. So let's take a look at a few examples of how the distributive property works. Here we have some very basic examples. But all we want to do is multiply whatever we have on the outside of the parentheses to everything that we have on the inside of the parentheses. So let's start with 3 times 2x. That would be 6x. And then now we're going to multiply 3 to positive 5, and that gives us 15. We should combine like terms whenever we can, but these are not like terms, so this is our simplified answer. With the negative 6, we're going to multiply it to 4x, which gives us negative 24x. And we can't forget it's still a negative 6, so that's a negative 6 times positive 7, and that will give us negative 42. Again, these are not like terms, so we can't combine them. This is our simplified answer. Let's take a look at another example. Here we're going to multiply that 4 to a trinomial, which means there are 3 terms. We need to make sure we multiply the 4 to every single term inside. So 4 times x squared, there's an understood 1 attached to that x squared. So 4 times 1x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 3x will give us 12x. And 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. These are not like terms because they don't have the same exponent attached to them. And so this is our simplified answer. Let's try one more example. Here we're going to distribute 5x, which means you have to remember a little bit about your exponent laws. When we multiply 5x, there's an x to the first power. There is an exponent there. 5x to the first power times 3x squared is 15x cubed. And the reason it's an x cubed is because we have x to the first, x squared, that becomes x cubed. 5x times negative 6 is negative 30x squared. And then lastly, 5x times positive 2 is positive 10x. Although these all have the same variable, they don't have the same exponent, so they are not like terms. This is our simplified answer. If you have any questions about this lesson, please feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.